Cisco CML 2.9 is available to download, and according to Cisco, there are some new exciting features like the new images now include the Catalyst 9800 CL, that's the cloud wireless controller. You also have the Cisco Eyes image and Splunk Enterprise and other new features that they included on this release. Now you can look at the documentation to see, okay, what are the new features and also what are the current bugs for this release. At the time of this recording, although Cisco CML 2.9 is available to be downloaded or upgraded to, it is not the recommended release yet. But it doesn't mean that you can't start using now. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade the Cisco CML 2.8 to 2.9. Okay, the procedure we're going to use will be described here. See the in-place upgrade, and we have to follow the instructions here. So before you start, download a copy of the package pkg.zip file for CML controller to your local machine. So we have to download this upgrade package. So to do that, I'm just going directly to cisco.com, click on downloads, and here I'm going to select this option Modeling Labs. I can just search here, but it's already here, and I'm going to land on this page. So the file we're looking for is the Cisco CML 2.90 server upgrade. Okay, so use this file for in-place upgrade of an existing CML server. Now you can either download this file from CML free, or you can go to 2.90 and there is the file, it's right here. The difference is that you're required to have a contract associated with your account to download this file, at least from this section. So I'm just going to click on CML free again, and I'm going to download this file. So make sure to log in, okay, in order to download this file. After downloading the file, we're going to extract, okay, because there is a file inside this package that we need. And let's see. Okay, so this is the file that we're going to use to upload to Cisco CML. Now let's continue with the upgrade process. So I got the file. Please review any steps. I don't care about this. Okay, to perform an in-place upgrade, use the following procedure. We also recommend updating the base OS packages whenever updates are available. Yeah. Okay, so log into the system administration cockpit as the system administrator account. Okay. Okay, going to do this in a minute. If the upgrade file is a zip file, unzip the file and extract its contents. Done. On Windows, we can use 7-zip. That's what I used. Optional, Cisco signs, blah blah blah. Okay, so just let's go to Cisco CML server UI. So this is the one they're referring about, and go to Tools, System Upgrade. Okay, let's go Tools, Upgrade System. Okay, and click the Browse button, select the packages from your local system. Okay, so now I'm going to upload the file that was extracted. Okay, so now I'm going to upload the image. Okay, that shouldn't take long. Okay, done. So log in, browse, download, click the upload button and wait for the file. Okay, click on the using cockpit link to open the system administration cockpit in a new tab. So I'm just going to click here. I'm going to log in. So you can see currently I'm running the version 2.80 build 6. So to log in, so this is a different admin. Okay, so system upgrade, no, that's done. Click on using cockpit. Yeah, this is done. So let's go to CML controller upgrade. Okay, so log into cockpit as an administrator, verify that you can see maintenance controls. Yep, I can. This is maintenance controls. Hope you guys can read that. Okay, that you can see system maintenance control, which is also accessible. Yes, I can. So verify state for CML controller upgrade. Switch back to CML server UI and verify system state. So we want to make sure that here it's green. Okay, it's green, great. In the topmost menu, select click to System Administration. Tools, System Administration. Okay. On the System Administration, click Node Administration. Just make sure that there are no nodes running. So all of them should be on stopped state. Yes. Okay, so they're either created or stopped. That's great. Nope, I don't have any node running. Now enabling CML control and maintenance mode. Okay, so let's go to System Administration. That should be here, and enable maintenance modes, and going to save this. Okay, so plan system maintenance, I believe that's it. So let's see, save, and then a message inform the user of ongoing maintenance will appear. Yeah, that's what we see. Okay, on the System Administration page, click Compute Hosts. Compute Hosts, yep. And let's see, select all items and change the administration state. Drop down and click registered option. Okay, so click here, change to registered option. Okay, that's great. The compute host will be reported as disconnected. System health issue may be shown in the bottom right corner of UI, but this is normal. Okay, so let's proceed now to CML control upgrade, System Administration Cockpit. So switch back to Cockpit CML and expand the controller software upgrade item in the maintenance section. Yes, in the system, click the upgrade button. That should be maintenance. I believe it's right here. It should be software upgrade. Okay, let's click in here, upgrade. Just want to make sure that it's the right step. This takes several minutes depending the. Okay, so make sure that you have internet connection. Okay, and this is what we want to see at the end. Finish CML software upgrade. Okay, so let's start the upgrade process. And again, this is going to take some time. So I'm going to pause, and once it finishes, we're going to continue. During the upgrade process, you might see this message, disconnected. All you have to do is click on reconnect, okay? And log in again. And you might notice also that here it says 280, so it looks like it didn't upgrade. Let's confirm that. Okay, and let's see. I think I had some problem there. Because it failed, so it looks like I'm having problems with internet. Yeah, software upgrade failed because in my case I had internet connectivity issues. So this is internet problems, and I'll have to run this again. So upgrade. Okay, it looks like the upgrade is completed. So now what do we have to do next? Okay, once the upgrade is complete, check the output area, cockpit, ensure the upgrade did not generate any final error. Some upgrades might generate, blah 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 blah. If performing the upgrade from CML layer, reboot is required at this point. Yes, it is recommended to run the host using the latest Unix. Okay, so just to make sure that everything is okay, so I'm just going to reboot. I believe it was it here. And go to overview. Yes, I'm going to reboot, delay, no delay, and just run the reboot. So meanwhile, what we have to do next now, disable maintenance mode, log back to CML user, systems administration. Okay, and then compute host. Okay, let's give it a second because it's rebooting now. Okay, we already running CML 290 build 3. Okay, that's great, but that's not the one we want. Should be this one. Okay, already 290 as well, so I'm going to log in. Okay, so if you go to tools, I believe these system administration, maintenance mode, and save. No compute. Okay, so probably there is something that I have to do first. Okay, first compute host, have to change to ready. Okay, compute hosts, select them all, change the mission state to ready. Okay, so I believe that now we have to change the maintenance mode. Okay, so now let's go to system maintenance mode, and save. And I believe that's all we need. Yeah, disable, save, you disappear, and it's done. So we have successfully upgraded Cisco CML from version 2.8 to version 2.9. So if you took value from this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you on the next one.